This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Adobe Illustrator on a Mac. So I'm right here on this page. First things first, if you click my link, you will get a free trial to Adobe Illustrator. Free trial, you can check out the whole platform, see if this tool is for you. Once you've clicked that link in the video description just below this video, you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page. All you need to do is hit this Start Free Trial button here at the top, and then we're just waiting for Adobe servers to kick in. But once they do, we will have the payment information right here. So by default, Illustrator is selected. You can select Creative Cloud Pro. Obviously the prices become a lot higher there. You can select individuals. They have student and teacher discount currently, and they also have a plan for businesses, which is separate right here. So importantly, this is a 7-day free trial. You don't pay anything until the trial has finished. If you want to stick around, you can stick around with one of these paid plans, but you don't have to. You can check out, like I say, it's a completely free trial. You can check out the platform and cancel at any time. Once you click continue and you've entered your information, that will begin to download, and that is how you download Illustrator on a Mac right now. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.